How to clear cache in Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Raid Shadow Legends application using your Android device. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open Raid Shadow Legends game on your device. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Once you do that, you'll open up the Settings tab. From here, click on Options. Under Options, scroll all the way down and look for the Clear Cache button. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner and the game will automatically start and re-download all resources. Confirm the Clear Cache by tapping Confirm in the pop-up and you'll be able to clear cache in your Raid Shadow Legends account. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection to complete the process. So that is how you easily clear cache in Raid Shadow Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.